Welcome to K&F Electronics. I'm Sean Kincaid. Join me as we tour our through-hole assembly processes today. Established in 1972 by my grandfather Earl Kincaid, we have dedicated ourselves to ensuring quality and customer service is our top priority. My father Rick Kincaid is the current chairman of the board. Our 30,000 square foot facility is growing yearly. We hope that you will be a part of that. Come on inside and let me show you around. First step in PCB through-hole assembly is component insertion. The operator will put the required component in the location referenced by the customer's bill of materials. Each lead is trimmed per IPC specifications and inserted into the location, ensuring proper orientation. Documentation of each assembled PCB is displayed via electronic display for the operator, ensuring proper insertion. In addition, an approved first piece sample is provided to the operator for reference. We gave this operator excessive amounts of caffeine, and as a result, she is able to outpace any machine for loading parts. Along with her fear of the Terminator, she says the machines will never win. As with the previous build shown, there is a documentation referencing the proper insertion for each component. In this build, there are 2 relays and 4 wires that are getting soldered on each PCBA. If the assembly is not hand soldered, the PCBAs will be ran through one of our 2 Hentech RPS Vector 300 selective soldering machines. These machines, based on our programming of the flux and solder pass, will automatically flux and solder each joint. After programming, the operator simply needs to press start when a new assembly is loaded, and the machine will perform the entire soldering process. With our Hentech RPS nitrogen system providing superior thermal performance, we have high confidence it is providing a repeatable solder joint achieving IPC guidelines. A live view of the machine soldering allows the operator to confirm the soldering process is achieving the expected results. After selective solder, the next step is inspection. The operator will inspect each PCBA solder joint on both the top and bottom side to verify each solder joint meets IPC guidelines. In the rare event of a touch-up being required, the operator will repair by hand soldering using our JBC Tools soldering stations per IPC guidelines. The next step after solder inspection is visual inspection. Here, a certified master trainer in IPC A610 and J standard will verify each component is correct for that particular reference designator, confirming orientation if required. After each component is verified to be in the correct position and properly soldered, the product is now ready for shipping. Each PCBA will be packaged in ESD safe packaging. I hope you've enjoyed the through-hole technology tour today. In this video is 4 generations of Kincaids. My dad is holding a picture of my grandfather Earl soldering back in the 1950s. I'm holding my son Elijah and excited to see what will be in place when he comes of age. A lot has changed in technology since my grandfather's era, but one thing hasn't, and that's our motto. K&F Electronics, providing quality today for tomorrow's technology.